In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Canon Pixma TR7820 in case you're having issues with it, Wi-Fi issues, or any other kinds. So the first thing you need to do once it's happening is to go on the back and pull this power cord. Disconnect your printer. Even if it was turned on, don't worry, simply pull the plug. Wait 5 minutes, let the printer cool down, and then reconnect it. Many times, simply by doing this simple thing, you'll be able to fix most of the issues. Okay, so power on the printer. You may get a message when you do this that the printer didn't shut down the proper way. Ignore that message, don't worry, nothing got broken, and try using your printer again. Hopefully this solved your problem. Now, if you're still having issues, I suggest you do a reset of this printer. You can do a factory reset, or you can simply reset the Wi-Fi settings. So this is great in case you don't want to do a full reset, factory reset. So how is it done? Let's go on the display over here. I will show you. First, press the home button over here once. Then press the cogwheel down below in this menu. Select Printer Settings, go down until you see Reset Settings. Press Reset Settings, and now we have a few different options. You can do a full factory reset, which will delete everything and the printer will be brand new. This is the last option, which is Reset All. And then you can press yes. It will take a few seconds or a minute or two and it will be resetted. You can also select LAN settings only. If your problem is the Wi-Fi, maybe your printer is not connecting to it, maybe it's disconnecting randomly, well, you can simply reset the Wi-Fi only and not all the settings. So this could be great. It will save you some time because the printer will not delete everything, just the Wi-Fi information. So tap LAN settings only, and yes, if this is what you want to do. Overall, this is it. If you found my video helpful, please leave a like, but also take a moment, type a comment down below. This is a great way to support my channel. Like, and I'll see you in the next video.